Hello everyone. Welcome to Easy English with Frances. Let us learn about the Point 50 Essentials TOEIC Words. For beginners. First, from workplace and office. Examples: employee, manager, office, meeting, report, schedule, project, company, document, department. 2. Business communication. Examples: email, message, confirm, information, contact, discuss, explain, answer, announce. 3. Job and careers. Examples: interview, salary, experience, position, promotion, resume, hire, apply, training, career. 4. Shopping and customer service. Examples: customer, purchase, receipt, discount, payment, product, price, order, return, service. 5. Travel and transportation. Examples: airport, ticket, reservation, passport, luggage, departure, arrival, hotel, flight, train. 6. Banking and money. Examples: account, balance, deposit, withdraw, invoice, budget, expense, income, loan, credit. 7. Meeting and presentation. Examples: agenda, presentation, speaker, audience, opinion, decision, conference, proposal, goal, result. 8. Marketing and sales. Examples: advertisement, campaign, market, brand, sales, client, contract, profit, target, strategy. 9. Daily business words. Examples: attend, improve, increase, reduce, deliver, prepare, organize, complete, choose, provide. 10. Common TOEIC. Adjectives. Examples: available, important, successful, effective, convenient, necessary, professional, efficient, expensive, reliable,